Hey everyone, I'm going to talk to you about the Ualau double-sided tape. This is the box that it arrived in, and I am going to put a picture frame up with this, so I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use it. And as you can see here from the directions, you want a flat, plain wall. You don't want any rough surfaces, no brick, no wet surfaces. You want to make sure that it's clean, sleek, and that there's no residue on the wall that you're placing.
Now the frame I'm going to use is a ticket frame. And the pack includes 2 different sets of the tape and some information on the actual product. And you do want to keep it in the plastic when you're not using it because it is pretty sticky and you don't want to get anything else stuck on here. And as you can see, it does have thick layers. So, and this layer is already sticky, just so you know. So the best thing to do is either measure how much you need on the back of your frame or whatever you're going to hang up, and where you want to put these tapes. So here, as you can see, my frame, it's thin. So you might need to cut this across or horizontally and vertically so that you can get a good measurement and you're not overusing the tape. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut the layer over the tape so that I'm not cutting more than I need to. So I've measured it out, and this is what I'm going to do. And you can use either scissors or a box cutter, whatever is easiest. Just make sure you're safe. So when you're done cutting off your piece, make sure you put the roll back into the baggie to keep it away from any elements, and then return it into the box. And here, as you can see, I've cut a piece. Now I need to cut across so that it can fit my frame. And again, you can use a box cutter if that's easier. Now I have 2 pieces, and I can just put that across both layers. And then you want to take the top layer. It has a cover on it. So here's the top layer. Take that off on either side. But make sure that you do that after holding on to it for a few seconds, because you do want to make sure that this is stuck properly and that it will not fall. Now it's ready to stick. Now I am going to stick my frame on the wall. And you want to hold it here for a couple of seconds. And you want to make sure you push on it so that it stays stuck properly. And voila, there you go. The double-sided tape is perfect for frames and anything else you want to hang, especially if you don't want to make holes in your walls. Absolutely perfect, and it works. And as you can see, it is stuck. I cannot move this. So you got to put a little elbow grease to actually take it off your wall. Now, before I stick this to the wall, I did want to show you how easy it is to take the tape off and how it will not leave any residue or damages. So as you can see, it's able to take it off, and you can stick it back on no problem. Just make sure you hold it for a couple of seconds. Let it really get stuck there. And then stick it to the wall. If you are interested in this double-sided tape, I have included the link in the description.